Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of digital horizon satellites, and today we're going to going to look at various mounting techniques, the engineering aspects, as you can see. So we start with this dish. This is about 120 centimeter dish. The size from the back side, as you can see, it's quite a huge one, but not so big. So that's the mounting. This is the holder. This is the holder, as you can see. So let's start from here. So first of all, you need to get a plate. Get yourself a plate. This is about 4 inches squared plate with a 4 millimeter thickness. That's the minimum you can have. Then get yourself the roll bolts. Yeah. Then make sure they are properly hinged. There are 4 of them. You can see the other one. Yeah, that side there. Then the pipe should be actually welded so well so that you can grab that firm support. You can have that firm support. Then this pipe, make sure it has a support end there. That is one for the center one, and then for the side one it should have 2. So these are adjustable points, because I didn't have the actually proper length to actually fix it, so I just drilled some holes there, and where that it will fit it the best, that's where I just locked it. You can see these are the this plate on this pipe. I welded on this plate so that you can have this section, this plate on this 1-inch plate, then this pipe. Now this square tubing, the same on the other side. So that's the bolt that has locked in on the other side. You can see how it's hinged on the wall, so that it can grab that. This is very firm. Yeah, it's very firm. It's very firm. You can see that's one way. This is one way in which I did this. On the back side you can see the holding support from this arm down there, the other side, and then the center one. So which means all the force acting should be able to give this firm support onto this. Then when you come here to properly hinge the dish, you make sure that you have 2 ends of the plates. You can see we have this plate, we have the bolt, then we have this other plate, which is also drilled with the holes so that it can match this side and this side. Actually see that they have done it. I think I've tried to make sure that I painted each and every time because of corrosion. And the work of this is to hold this dish as you are putting it up, so that it doesn't go doesn't go down. This is an angle line. You can see this is an angle line, then properly hinged onto this plate, so that the moment you fix it on one end, it cannot be able to change its position. That will be the position fixed, as you can see. So this is engineering. I made it, just thought about it, and actually it came out to be the best support ever in this satellite, in this huge satellite dish. So it's actually quite heavy. Yeah. So give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Then this is another engineering technique. I made it. So this pipe, this mast, is the one that is holding the dish, separate dish. Let's see, up to up there. The dish is quite huge. Coming down, then this end, make sure you support it onto this round plate, because I wanted to make sure that I have actually two dishes. I just made room for this DSTV dish, this one, as you can see. So this pipe, I made this pipe. Make sure I use the screw, concrete screw, then drilled it, then hinged onto the wall. So then I joined this this pipe with this one, so that it can give this support. As you can see, it's very huge. Yeah, very firm. This is very firm. This is very firm. Then this is a support from this pipe onto this one, so that there will be no any kind of changes in degree that will affect the signal. So I made it one. This is the one support, and the second support is this one, the wall, onto this pipe. That's it. So it has actually a double support. This pipe has actually a double support from the wall, and actually from this other part, so that can make room onto this other dish. You can see this is a Eutelsat 6 UFC. You see DSTV dish, which is properly cable managed. No wires, no vinyl tips being used here. Yeah. Only 1-3 method. Properly hinging, properly managing these cables. And this part is a bracket. These brackets, all these brackets, these brackets. Make sure that There's no movement. Once it's hinged, actually this bracket has a double stopper. You can hinge the bracket so that it doesn't rotate against any heavy wind or heavy breeze. And also another way using nut, you can be able to loosen this nut, and then on the other side, as you can see, this one can loosen this nut that can support the dish not to move. Yeah, so here you can see this is a plate I made that has this curved section, you can see, so that it can accommodate that curving of the pipe. Then on this tilting handle on pole, tilting pole, and be able to see, can be able to change the elevation, yeah, which you prefer. So just I hinged, I used these bolts, see, just aligned with the plate the way it is, then just tightened so that it can be firm. Yeah, you can see it's very firm, very firm. Yeah. So this is a bracket, a pipe bracket that I've coupled with this. It's called the J pole. So the bracket, this bracket combined with the J pole, aligning all those these holes, so that it can accommodate the bolts, then tighten with the nuts. So that's it on J pole. This is J pole. Yeah. So if you want to change the elevation, you can always loosen this bolt, then you can be able to swivel and change the azimuth position, and also the elevation. You can change the azimuth by loosening this bolt and then tilting it to the position that you want. So mine face this way, yeah, because I want the J pole to face this side. Now here is what now involves this bracket. As you can see, this bracket. So this is a pipe. As you can see, this is a pipe. So this pipe lies on these brackets here, so that it doesn't fall as you are doing the installation. Yeah, instead of doing it here, the both brackets, you can see, we just align one to actually hold it on top here, because it has this part, this section. We need this section to hold this pipe and make sure that when you are doing installation, this works easier. It won't fall down, or it won't change any degree in elevation. I hope you can understand. This is a stopper. So the same way we did the same example used here is what is used on the other dish I showed you. The locking mechanism to hinge onto this pipe, so that there will be no elevation drops, change of angle, and the moment you tighten these bolts, it becomes firm. So that's it. This part, you can see this clamp properly hinged to the wall. That way. That way. You can be able to see. So it should be. So this is these are bolts. You can be able now to properly set this one into a stable position from the ground, as you can see. Till up there. To the ground.